Now I'm going to give you some simultaneous word equations to do. The hard part of this is to translate the words into simultaneous equations. Once you've done that, then the rest is easy. So this bit's the hard part, translating this situation here into simultaneous equations. Well, anyway, have a go, and then after a while, it's hard at first, but after a while it will become easier and easier because you get a rough idea of how it's done. So here, Max and Sam have $35 altogether. If Max's money is doubled and Sam is trebled, they will have this amount altogether. How much does each person have? So yeah, press pause and play around with it. Think how you can translate this situation into two equations, and then after that it's easy after that. So press pause and have a go. So maybe you can, if you ever get stuck, maybe you can draw some pictures, just to get an idea of what's going on. So here, this here could represent Max. This here could represent Sam. Um, well, here you're given that Max and Sam have, well, they have this much altogether. So the first equation will be this, will be M, the amount of money that Max will have, and this here amount of money that Sam will have. Well, if you add the two together, well, this here will be your first equation. Okay. The second equation is that if Max's money is doubled and Sam is trebled, they will have this amount. So the second equation will be this. Well, Max's money will be doubled. Let's say 2M here, and Max will be trebled. So 3S here equals 86.60. Okay, and then now it should be quite easy now. It's just a matter of killing off either the M or the S. Let's times everything here by 2. So we will have 2M plus 2S equals 70. Okay, and then look at this. We can kill off the M here and the M here. So let's get this equation, take away this equation. So this will be just S. S equals now 86.6 take away 70 would be 16.6. Sorry, 16.6. 16.60. Okay, so Sam will have $16.60. Okay, so now that we know S now, so we can just put this into this thing here, into the S here, in order to find out M. Okay, so now just do this. M plus 16.60 equals 35.00. Now take away 16.6 from both sides. So hang on, 35.00 take away 6 point. Hang on. So this would be well, borrow here 4 1 here. Sorry, this would be 0 here. This would be 4 here. This would be 2 1 here. 4 8 4 8 and then 1 here. 1840. Okay, so M here will be 1840. So Max will have this amount, Sam will have this amount. Okay. Next question. Now, yeah, just try and play around with it. The hard part is to translate this into your simultaneous equation. So here, well, I bought a book and a pen costing this much, and the book was £1. So $1.30 less than the pen. So somehow translate this into your simultaneous equations. Okay, so press pause and have a go. How much did each item cost? Press pause and have a go. So here, hang on, I bought a book and a pen costing this much. So well, let's say a book here and a pen here. Okay, well, I bought a book and a pen costing that much, so we can say B plus P equals 930. Okay, um, and then the book was £1, sorry, $1.30 less than the pen. Now the book was less than the pen, so we could write this. The book was less than the pen, so we could write this. The book was less than the pen, so that means that means I can do this. Hang on, I can do this here because the book is less than the pen. Then I can add $1.30 to the book, and then it would be the price of the pen. Anyway, this bit here you could translate it into this equation here. P equals book plus $1.30. Okay. Now it's just a matter of killing what. Well, here you could take away B. There are lots of ways of doing this, but you could take away B from both sides. So let's take away B from both sides here. So we will have this. Take the P down, and then take away B over here, and then on this side you will have 130. Okay. Now just look at this bit here, and this bit here. Okay. So now we could imagine this as this minus B plus P equals 130. Okay, so basically I'm just switching these two around here. Okay, I'm just switching those two around. So look at this here, a B here and a minus B here. So we can just add. Let's just get this, add it to this, and then the two B's will kill off each other. So now we're just going to get this added to this whole thing here. Okay, so this equation added to this equation here. So that will be, hang on, let me think. 2p equals $10.60. Okay, and now divide both sides by 2. So the pen cost $5.30. Okay, so now that we've got the price of the pen, let's just stick it into the easiest one. Well, any one really. So P. So we know P now. Let's put P into this thing here. Okay, so it would be remember P is 530. So we can write 530 equals. Remember, we are stuffing the P, the 530 into this P here. So 530 equals B plus 130. Okay. So now to work out B, take away $1.30 from each side. So that will be $4. 4 equals B. So the book cost $4, and the pen cost 5. So book here cost this much, $4, and the pen cost $5.30. Okay, so going back to here, it should make sense. The book was $1.30 less than the pen. So let's check. The book here, this is a book. It costs less than it costs $1.30 less than the pen. That makes sense. And then here the first part, I bought both of them costing $9.30. So nine. Well, if you add the two, when you add the two, it does come to $9.30. So the hard part is translating this whole situation here into these equations here. And once you're in the equation mode, then you can just switch off and just solve B or P. Okay.